Why I chose front-end over back-end. Hello, I'm Nix. I started working as a back-end programmer who builds multi-level marketing systems. In that company, nag-grow ako not just as a coder, but someone who can handle front-end development, presenting to clients, and deployment of systems. But in 2014, I decided to chase even more growth. Kailangan ko mamili kung ano yung dapat kong i-focus before ako mag-apply ng bagong trabaho. And it's a very hard decision na mamili sa mga job opportunities sa JobStreet that time. But I realized I simply enjoy crafting websites more. My earliest aspiration was to become an artist, and I think napufulfill ko yung dream na yun through my current work as a front-end developer. Alam mo yun, yung sense of fulfillment kapag nakatapos ka ng isang website, parang nami-mirror niyo yung satisfaction ng pagtapos ng isang artwork. Hindi ko naman talaga tinakbuhan yung back-end kasi ginagamit ko pa rin naman siya till today. Pero mas na-enjoy ko kasi yung front-end, and kapag nag-enjoy ako sa ginagawa ko, feeling ko mas less yung stress ko sa trabaho. So kung ikaw ay naguguluhan ngayon kung anong path ang kailangan mong i-take in the next few years, notice what excites you. Pay attention sa mga ginagawa mo ngayon. Saan ka ba na-excite? Sa paggawa ng solutions, sa paggawa ng UI, sa pagde-design or DevOps, kung ano man yan. Always remember, experience is the best guide.